Melissa Ogalevitz with the Weingarten Real Estate Team, here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 14 North Alhambra Circle in Agawam, Massachusetts. Let's go check it out. This turnkey cape offers 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and just over 1,150 square feet of living space. Conveniently located near Agawam Bike Trail, you're not going to want to miss this one. With new windows, hardwood floors, fireplace, and partially finished basement, this updated property includes custom cherry kitchen cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Let's take a look out back where you'll find a detached garage and patio for entertaining or grilling your favorite meal with family. We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 14 North Alhambra Circle in Agawam, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below. Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you. Over the camera.
All right.
You don't like that?
I don't know what that is. Oh, the thing.
Okay.
That was good?
Yes.
All right, you're on.
Alhambra. Our new, yeah, my arms are weird, like dangling all around. Oh yeah, there's some more.
Good.